Welcome back guys. In today's video I'm going to show you a few things about your Samsung phone. Some of them you might know and some of them you might not know. So first thing I'm going to show you is, if you go into the gallery, let's say you have a photo of something and you just want to remove the background of the image, or you want to cut out this object from this photo. All you have to do is press and hold the object you want to cut out. Then you will see this object is cut out from the background, and now you're gonna get three options. You can copy that object, you can share directly to someone, or you can save as image. So if you save as image, you will save in the gallery the object but without background. Okay, probably you knew the first trick, but did you know you can cut out the object from the video as well? So let's say I have this video and I want to cut out this dog from this video. So pause the video at the exact moment and then press and hold the object, and it will do the same thing. You can save this image directly to your gallery. So when you do save as image, it will, as you can see, the dog image is saved here but without the background. Now third trick is to do with the Samsung internet browser. Note that these will work only with the Samsung internet browser, not with Google Chrome. So let's say you have a photo of a dog on internet. So what you can do is press and hold the image, like this, and here you can see clip object from the background. So when you do that, look what's gonna happen. When you do this, only dog photo will clip out from the picture, and you can save this photo directly to your gallery as well. So when you do this and go into the gallery, and you can see the photo here. Now you might have heard of the magic eraser from Google. You can get the magic eraser if you got the Google One subscription from Google. You can erase the objects from the photo. But if you don't have the subscription, you can do the same thing with Samsung Gallery as well. So you can go into the gallery, open the photo, and if you click the pencil icon down here, and from here if you click on the three dots here, you will see object eraser option. So if you click that, and it will process the photo, and when you, let's say I want to remove this person from the photo, so if I click this, and you will see option erase from here, so you will erase that person from here. Let's say I want to remove this head from this photo as well, so if I select this, and it will be gone from here. I can save it now in my gallery. So as you can see, you won't even notice that there was a person here. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching guys. Subscribe to my channel and like this video, and share with other people as well so they can benefit from my videos as well.